I've never filmed this at nighttime. I didn't even know it was open at nighttime. So, but anyways, we're gonna try to go in there and film and to see what happens. So I'm gonna get my camera ready. I have to show my ID and let's see what's in there. Kind of exciting. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, we're gonna walk on in, see what we can see in there. Kind of interesting. So first thing we'll need to do is we have to do this little thing right here with this code right here. So let's do that first. Okay, so so we just kind of came through, so we're gonna see what's in here tonight. I think there's definitely gonna be stuff over there. Could be stuff other places too. Let's go towards the light and just kind of see what we can see. There's giant snail right there. So I think there's gonna be people in this area. So let's just see what we can find out in here. So there's a little there's a like waterway that way. Let's just go in and see. Usually I never come here at nighttime. Okay, so it's just people just kind of hanging out. So let's just kind of take a look through here. So this area right here, sometimes they have performances, like a tea house kind of stuff, stuff like that. And then here's an official tea house right here, right there. So of course you'll see it easier at nighttime, but I've never been here at nighttime, so we're just gonna see what we can see at nighttime. There's all these little statues everywhere too. Those are the statues like that, right? They got them all over the whole area. So I don't know what to expect, so we're just gonna walk in and see, but I think we should follow the light as much as possible. I never even thought about coming in here at nighttime. There's a little thing right there. I hear a lot of Tagalog, and some of the people are on their phones talking to family as well, so that's usually a sign of Filipinos as well. So let's kind of walk in through here a little bit. So yeah, there's some people hanging out over there, that little pavilion. There's a waterway over that way. So I think what we'll do, whoa, that kind of scared me. So I guess, yeah, there's people eating right there. Didn't expect that. And then that's a little waterway right in there. Let's just keep on walking. The pavilion. Yeah, she shouted kind of loud, so I had to see what that was. So yeah, this is nighttime walking around in the garden. Usually I've only been here in the daytime. There's some weird noise over there. Yeah, this time it's a little bit different. Let's just kind of meander through this as quick as we can. We're going to be over there in a minute. Actually, let's do it right now. That looks like it's more interesting than this. Yeah, in the daytime, of course, that looks totally different. Okay, you got some couples right in there. So this is kind of a little bit of a house all the way in that way. Bamboo. You can't really see it very well at nighttime, so I don't think I'll keep the camera on much longer. I just wanted to get back to this house back here. Huh. A bit of a labyrinth here. In the daytime it's easy to see everything, at nighttime not so easy. Okay, so we're gonna get back into the house part in a minute here. Yeah, and again, if this was daytime it would be really beautiful. But I'm hoping we can capture some images at nighttime as well. This is kind of meander. I hear cackling over that way somewhere. People are laughing, having a good time. I'm walking a little bit fast because there's lily pads and such. I'm walking fast because it's kind of dark and I don't know how interesting this would be, but I've never walked it in at nighttime before, so why not film it while I'm doing it. And we're gonna come up on this beautiful building as well. Usually people always play mahjong in this area. It's kind of cool. Okay. Oh no, can we get in there? Closed. Okay, good. Now we can overlook the pond. I don't plan to spend too much time in here, but at least you got an idea. There we go. That looks cool at nighttime. Nice. Okay, good. Now we got something kind of photogenic and beautiful. Okay. Very nice. Let's see what we can catch in the dark here. So that's our waterfront. You can see the buildings in the background. Got a moon, crescent moon up there. There's a little bit of lanterns directly that way. And it looks like that's the main entrance, which is closed right now. That's where we came from. Oh. Got a gecko right there. I see you. There's Saw's tail. Okay. Yeah, these tall buildings are, there's a giant wall right here. So this garden is completely protected by a wall. And then you can see all the tall buildings over to the other side, right? Looks like some people hanging out there. And it looks like we're going to be walking back around the circle in a second. So there's a little pavilion right in here. Beautiful banyan tree right there. And then we kind of come up into this beautiful little space right in here too, right? So there we go. We'll keep walking all the way out. Then we'll capture this. So we're going to angle out in a second. That's a little pavilion that's really beautiful at nighttime. And let's see how we can, we're going to go out this way. So yeah, that's a little tour of the garden that's in Macau. Okay, well, let's keep on going. There's exercising. I don't know if you can see that in the dark, but there's somebody who's exercising, and the way they exercise is to breathe out when they come up. So they kind of come up for air like that. So we're gonna head back out this way. Now we're right back at that exit again. So yeah, my first time to do that at nighttime, but it's interesting. At nighttime just as well, as much as it is during the daytime. They're right there.